Delicious roasted edamame. How to prepare delicious roasted edamame. Description: delicious and healthy meal. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 25 minutes. Ingredients: 1 package of frozen edamame, soybeans, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Instructions: first, preheat the oven to about 375 degrees, and then combine the olive oil, edamame, garlic, black pepper, and sea salt in a bowl until well mixed. Spread the mixture evenly in a baking sheet. Transfer to oven and roast while stirring, for about 20 minutes, until the edamame shells begin to brown. Serve with the shell. Nutrition facts: calories 126, fat 8.4 g, carbs 6.7 g, protein 74 g.